high of 90.75 in mid 2000s. In what was the biggest audit failure to that date? Enron shareholders lost an estimated 74 billion in the 4 years before the company's bankruptcy. Almost half of that amount was attributed to accounting fraud. Another risk that must be understood is that models can break down when financial regimes change. The meta risk of model failure has become an important part of risk management. Models in economics describe not laws of nature but a human artifact that is subject to change. Changes may invalidate models. For example, the policy of quantitative easing adopted by many central banks is widely considered to be behind today's rising stock markets. Models adapted to a situation of loose monetary policy may break down when tighter policies are adopted. Who else we've got here? We've got Shreni6. Thank you for joining, Shreni6, for joining us here on this live stream today. You are so welcome for being here. Systemic risk has been given little consideration to date in risk management curricula. As we noticed in Chapter 2, however, in view of the most recent financial crisis, systemic risk has moved up on the research agenda. Attempts to model the boom-bust cycle of economies and financial markets make use of nonlinear dynamics and complex system theory. Network theory is being used to model aggregation and contagion phenomena that may explain crashes. Haldane, 2012, and Kernman, 2012, among others, argue that with the growing connectivity of economies and markets, aspiring risk managers would do well to study network theory to capture the system dynamics at work in a connected world. These techniques, network theory, complex system theory, and nonlinear dynamics, which have been proposed to model and understand systemic risk, are beyond the reach of most students in MBA programs who will seek a career in asset management. So this is pretty bad, guys. They're not giving all these kids the information they need to succeed. Keon Gaming, thank you for joining the live chat today. Again, feel free to drop in any questions, whatever it is that you guys want to say. Thank you for that. That is awesome. And then what else we got? We've got hearts and love for everybody today. Oh,